Good morning, children. We are with trigonometry. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan opposite upon adjacent. Cot 1 upon tan. Sec 1 upon cos. Cosec 1 upon sine. That are the inverses. Now I have a diagram, right angle triangle. I have mentioned this measure as theta. Therefore this will be 90 minus theta. Now I have written the ratios sine theta. So I am considering theta and I am writing the all 6 trigonometric ratios for sine theta. I can say it as sine A also. Sine A, sine theta same it is. Okay. So sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. I haven't written the formula. Opposite upon hypotenuse, please write it. Okay, BC upon AC. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse, theta. Adjacent AB, hypotenuse AC. So AB upon AC. Tan opposite upon adjacent. Opposite BC upon adjacent AB. Actually girls, if you have written the first two properly, the remaining ones you can get it from the first two. Sine you have written BC upon AC. Cos you have written AB upon AC. Tan opposite upon adjacent. Opposite, that is BC upon adjacent, that is AB. That is the numerator of this upon numerator of this. Cot inverse of this, that is AB upon BC. Sec inverse of cos, so AC upon AB. Cosec inverse of sine, so AC upon BC. So if you write these two well and you know the relationship, rest everything can be written properly. Okay, you don't have to look at the diagram and get confused all the time. Similarly, I have written the ratios for sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, 90 minus theta. So this is the 90 minus theta. It is same to say that sine C, cos C, 90 minus. Sine will be opposite, AB upon AC, AB upon AC. Cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, which is the adjacent BC upon AC. Now tan, I have opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB upon adjacent is BC. Cot is inverse of this BC upon AB. Sec is inverse of cos AC upon BC. Cosec is inverse of this, that is AC upon AB. Okay, this is what I have written on the board. Now there is some relationship among them also. Since you have written this theta 90 minus theta, do you remember that complementary angles? When we speak of complementary angles, the measures of two angles should be equal to 90 degree. And here these ratios are called as complementary ratios. Now what is the relationship over here? You look at sine theta. Sine theta BC upon AC. What is same from here? 90 minus theta. Sine theta is same as cos 90 minus theta. Can you see this? Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta, AB upon AC. AB upon AC is sine 90 minus theta. So these are complementary ratios. That is, sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Similarly, tan theta BC upon AB. Where is BC upon AB? Cot. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. This is the next set of formulas, that is complementary angle ratios. Complementary because one Sin theta, then you have cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta, then you have sin 90 minus theta. That is why we call it as complementary angle ratios. Okay. Now, what is sin theta? Sin theta, cos 90 minus theta, cos theta, sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta, cot 90 minus theta, cot theta, tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta, cosec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, sec 90 minus theta. Don't get confused with trigonometric ratios and their inverses. What were the trigonometric ratios? Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sin, do you remember that? Sin is equal to 1 upon cosec. Here the relation was sin and last one cosec. Cos, sec, tan, cot. But in this complementary ratio, what is the relation? Sin, cos, cos, sin, tan, cot, cot, tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Now what is the meaning of? Suppose you are given theta is equal to 25 degree. Okay. So theta is equal to 25 degree. So sin 25 degree. Instead of theta I write 25 degree. Sin 25 degree. Suppose you want to write it in terms of cos. How do you write it in terms of cos? Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sin 25 is equal to cos 90 minus 25 degree. Now how much is 90 minus 25? That is cos 65 degree. Cos 65 degree. So both are same. Sin 25 degree is same as cos 65 degree. Not cos 25 degree. Cos 65 degree. Sin 25 degree is cos 90 minus 25, that is cos 65. This is how we write it in one terms of the other. Suppose you are asked cosec, write it in terms of sec. Cosec can be written in terms of sec. You are given cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree. How do you write it in terms of sec? Sec 90 minus 30, that is sec 60 degree. So cosec 30 degree is same as sec 60 degree. Together they should give you 90 degree. Is it clear to you? This is the complementary angle ratio which you have to learn by heart again. How is the relation? Sin theta cos 90 minus theta, cos theta sin 90 minus theta, tan theta cot 90 minus theta, cot theta tan 90 minus theta, sec theta cosec 90 minus theta, cosec theta sec 90 minus theta. Please write the formula. Write the heading trigonometric complementary angle ratios. Please remember, okay, complementary, the 90 is coming. Then write sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. The 90 minus theta, please put it in the bracket. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. And cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. This can be asked when you have to write in terms of one another. Okay, suppose you are given tan 40 degree. Write it in terms of cot. So tan 40 is equal to cot 90 minus 40. That will be cot 50 degree in terms of one another. Okay. Now there is some more relationships over here. Let us see whether we can find some more formulas over here. This I suppose you will remember now. Okay. Now let us see sin upon cos. Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. What is sin? BC upon AC. Now division, I am putting multiplication sign and writing the inverse of cos. What is the inverse of cos? AC upon AB. Okay. AC and AC get cancelled. What do you have? BC upon AB. Now what is BC upon AB? Where is BC upon AB? BC upon AB. What is that? Tan theta. This is the another formula. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Please write it. Write it in the formula section. You will learn it by heart. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Inverse of it, that is cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. You can check it out. You will get the answer. Cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. I repeat. Sin upon cos tan. Cos upon sin cot. Please write those two formulas also. First was the 6 complementary ratios and then these two. Sin upon cos, tan, cos upon sin, cot. Okay. Now, not over. Let us also see tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. Tan theta BC upon AB into tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta AB upon BC. AB upon BC. BC and BC get cancelled. AB and AB get cancelled. What remains? 1. So we have tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cot theta into cot 90 minus theta is equal to, what is cot theta? AB upon BC into, what is cot 90 minus theta? BC upon AB. Again you see getting cancelled, answer is 1. So you have tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Please write these two also in the formula. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into cot 90 minus theta also is equal to 1. Let us see what is the answer of tan theta into cot theta or cot theta into tan theta. Tan BC upon AB into cot AB upon BC. Again you can see is equal to 1. Okay, this also you add tan theta into cot theta. So today's formulas I suppose clear to all of you. 6 complementary ratios and then 5 of these additional ones. So altogether 11. Previous ones separate. So let us revise all the formulas from beginning. We have trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sin opposite upon hypotenuse, cos adjacent upon hypotenuse, tan opposite upon adjacent, cot adjacent upon opposite, sec hypotenuse upon adjacent, cosec hypotenuse upon opposite. Then inverses: sin 1 upon cosec, cosec 1 upon sin, cos 1 upon sec, sec 1 upon cos, tan 1 upon cot, cot 1 upon tan. Today we have seen the trigonometric complementary angle ratios. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta, cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Sin upon cos equal to tan, cos upon sin equal to cot. tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Tan into cot equal to 1. Please remember, tan 90 minus cot theta into cot 90 minus 1. Tan into cot equal to 1. So these are the equal to 1, 3 are there. Tan theta into cot theta, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta into cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta into tan theta, we are not said, that will be tan square theta. Okay, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta into cot 90 minus theta, tan theta into cot theta. This much formulas you have to learn by heart. Okay.